Welcome back, all my lovely friends. Today we're going to be making a traditional Moroccan lamb tagine, but without the tagine. A tagine is a particular type of cylindrical pot that is used to cook this meal. So let me show you how this dish is made without the tagine. Start by adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pot. Then add in 1 large onion finely sliced and 1 heaped teaspoon of garlic paste. Then add in a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika and mix these all together, allowing the onions to slightly brown. Once the onions have browned, add in 1/2 kg of leg of lamb together with the following spices. Add in 1/2 teaspoon of jeera or cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of rough salt. Add in 2 cups of boiling water and allow this to simmer for about 30 minutes until the meat softens. Once the meat has softened, add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and leave for 5 minutes. In a separate saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and then add the following: a 1/4 cup of raisins, 4 to 6 prunes, 6 apricots cut into smaller pieces, 3 dried figs cut into smaller pieces, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Leave these for about 5 minutes to simmer on high heat. To plate, lay out the lamb that was cooked in the pot. Then add in all the dried fruits. Garnish with some pomegranate seeds and sliced almonds, and you're ready to serve this with either a bulgur salad, rice, couscous, and even flatbread. Enjoy!